Hello, Emilia. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Okay, today we're gonna start with the English 2, okay, first unit that it's related to the nouns. You know that in English we have different types of nouns, okay?
Mhm.
But this session will be focused just on the types of food and the countable and uncountable nouns, okay?
Mhm.
That our objective for this session will be to identify which nouns are countable and which nouns are uncountable, and to
Mhm.
recognize some quantifiers that we use when talking about nouns. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, I would like to listen to you. What do you understand by noun? How would you
Mm,
describe a noun?
the things or I don't know.
Okay, nouns
Es
are
como
words. Are
sustantivo.
words? No, no, are words that we can use to name places,
Mhm.
people, things, or animals. Okay.
Mhm, el sustantivo.
Sí, nouns means sustantivo.
Mhm.
Te decía que un nouns, podríamos decir que un sustantivo son todas aquellas palabras que podemos usar para nombrar personas,
Animales.
cosas, animales y lugares, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Now, when we talk about types of nouns in English, we have a lot of. We have
Mhm.
concrete nouns, we have proper nouns, common nouns,
Mhm.
abstract nouns, countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. Can you see the food, the types of food that we have
Yeah.
there?
Yeah.
Which is you like the most?
Water.
Which one? Water?
Water. Yeah.
What is water? Ah, yeah, yeah, water. Mhm. What else?
mm, cheese, milk,
Okay,
yogurt, fish, meat, flour, sugar, salt,
okay,
pepper, butter, and I don't know what is the other.
okay.
Olive oil,
Let's see. We have this.
cheeseburger, pizza, chips, cake,
Okay. Uh-huh.
juice, lemonade, ice cream, and tea.
Okay, good. Those are delicious, right?
Mm-hmm.
Regarding to the flour, how often do you use the flour when you're cooking?
Um, I don't know.
How
It's
often, let's say milk, how often do you drink milk?
yeah,
How often? Every single day, just in the morning,
in the morning.
just in the morning. Okay, very
Yeah.
good. You know what is the meaning of flour?
Mm, I don't know. No es harina. No.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it's
Bueno,
harina,
está
right?
mal.
You know that flour can be used in different types of dishes, even though
Mhm.
to for many things, okay?
Yeah.
When you're cooking. Okay. Now let's see. What do you understand by countable nouns? What is a countable noun for you? How would you describe it?
Countable now is when you can no when you can countable. It's
Uh-huh.
okay. I
Yeah,
don't know in English.
when you can count.
Yeah, when you
When
can
you can say
count.
one, two, one
Yeah.
chair, two chairs, three people, four.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That is. Can you see this?
Now
No.
nouns you can count.
Yeah, nouns. You can count. That is the countable nouns. Okay.
Yeah.
That is the countable nouns. That are nouns that you can count.
Mm-hmm.
You can use a or an in front of the countable nouns and nouns that have a plural form. You know
Yeah.
that when we say a and, they are articles, right?
Yeah.
But this one are used just in the singular form, okay?
Okay.
For example, let's see an example. I have a pencil in my backpack. So we have a and we have pencil. As you can listen, the word pencil, the noun pencil is in singular, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why that we use a. What about an? Do you know when do we have to use it?
For one is a plural. No. 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 Is when the first letter is, oh my god,
When?
how do you say vocal, um
Let's see.
vowels.
Vowel, right?
Yeah,
Vowel.
vowels.
When we have a word that it starts with a
Yeah.
vowel, right?
Yeah.
For example, if you see here the food that we have eggs.
Yeah.
Eggs has a vowel sound at the beginning,
Yeah.
so we can use an.
And
Let's see an
and
example. Can you form a sentence using eggs in singular, right? In singular.
mm-hmm. mm, I have um I have eggs. It's okay.
Egg.
Egg in the kitchen.
Okay, I have an egg in the kitchen. Or you can say, I have an egg for breakfast, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Now, let's see the definition of uncountable nouns. Can you read that?
Now you can you can't no
Count. You
um
can't count.
yeah, you can't count.
Count. Okay. Read, read the other one.
Normally you can't use a or an in front of countable nouns.
Mhm.
Now that normally don't have a plural form.
That's right. That is something important that you must take into account.
Yeah.
When you see or when you're gonna use uncountable nouns, they
Mm-hmm.
only have a singular form, okay?
Okay.
Plural form doesn't exist. Now, let's see the part of the food. From those types of food that we have there, which nouns, because they are nouns, which nouns do you think that they are uncountable?
Mm-hmm.
Which one? We have
Mm,
butter, cheese,
milk,
eggs, milk.
milk, flour, water, salt, sugar,
Okay.
mm, olive oil,
Olive oil.
um, use lemonade.
Juice is uncountable.
Yeah.
Okay. What else?
Mm, cheese? No.
Yeah, cheese. That's good.
Yogurt?
Mhm. Because they are liquid, right? And this is they are solid mass.
Yeah.
Even the butter the is uncountable, okay?
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
we have some exception. You know that English is not the same as in Spanish.
Okay.
For example, when you go to la pulpería, you say, deme un pan, por favor. You say that. But in English,
Yeah.
you cannot say, Can you give me a bread? Because the word bread, the food, bread is an uncountable noun.
Mm-hmm.
So what do we need to be countable? Though that's noun be countable. What do we need?
Mm, I don't know.
We need a quantifier. For example, let's see here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This one, you say water,
Yeah,
right? A unit of measure, you say water. We know that
water.
water is liquid, and in general terms, water is uncountable. But
Yeah,
as you can appreciate on the picture, we have water, but the water is in a unit of measure,
yeah,
that is bottle, right?
mm, yeah.
So if we say
The
bottle of water, they can be counted, right?
yeah, but the bottle is countable.
Yeah, the bottle in that case is working
Yeah,
as a quantifier, okay, as a
yeah,
unit of measurement.
yeah. I know.
Let's see this. Let's see this. As you can appreciate here, the when we talk about chocolate, chocolate is an uncountable noun, right?
Yeah.
But we have a quantifier, that is bear of, a bar of chocolate. That means that in that case, you can count, right?
Okay.
Let's see the cheese. You know that cheese is uncountable. How can we say uh, to see that cheese is countable?
Mm, I
Or,
don't know.
or which units of measurement we can use? When I'm gonna give you a clue. When you go in to buy cheese,
Um.
what do you buy? You only say
Uh.
give me a cheese?
No.
No.
Um. Can I get what? I don't know what she's.
Let's talk about quantity. That is quantity, okay? Because in that case,
Yeah.
we need to express the quantity of how much cheese do you need. So
Um. I don't know.
pounds, libras,
¿Cómo se dice?
pounds.
Pounds.
See, Pound, bras, libras, okay?
Pound.
Pounds. So you can
Pound.
say, I need 3 pounds of cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 libras de queso, yeah? So
Mm-hmm.
you're using that unit of measurement, and the cheese can be counted, okay? Now, let's see
Okay.
this. You know that most of the time we use how much and how many, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, this is not new for you. I'm pretty
Mm-hmm.
sure that how much you know that can be used for
It's
uncountable nouns,
uncountable.
right?
Yeah. How
For
many is
example,
for countable?
yeah, for example, I can tell you, or I can ask you, how much sugar do you need?
I need to. How do you say libra? Count.
Pounds with P,
Pound.
pounds.
Pound.
Yeah,
I can say I need 2 pounds for sugar. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
because it's a countable.
yeah, it's uncountable, okay? So if I
Okay.
ask you, how much salt do you need? Even you can say bag of salt.
Bag.
Yeah,
What?
bag, bolsa.
Bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
And on the other side, we have how many. How many means, let me tell you something here. Can you see this?
Mm, yeah.
How much and how many both
Mm-hmm.
have the same meaning. The only
Many.
thing that, yeah, cuantos, both. You
Sí.
can say how much means cuantos, how many cuantos as well.
Yeah.
But the unit difference that we have is that the first one is used only with the uncountable nouns, and how many
Mm-hmm.
it's for countables, okay?
Yeah.
For example, let's see another question. How many cheeseburgers do you eat per week?
I eat only one burger.
Okay,
Cheeseburger.
okay, good. Now let's see some quantifiers. Can you read the meaning, the definition of a
Yeah.
quantifier, please?
Yeah. A quantifier at its name implies express quantity. Quantifier can be a single word or paragraph and are used with nouns. They can be used with either a countable or an uncountable noun to express amount or quantity.
Okay, good. As you can see here, uh, a quantifier that can be
Single
something,
word.
yes, a word that when you want to express quantity, right?
Okay,
But
quantity.
yeah, yeah, quantity to express amount
Okay,
of something
quantity.
or a quantity of something, okay?
Yeah.
But when we talk about these two types of nouns, we use some, any, okay? Sometimes
Any.
much, a lot of, a little,
Uh,
a few, and no, okay? As
Okay.
you know, some, most of the times is used just in affirmative, right?
Right.
In affirmative sentences. And this must be with the plural or singular. What do you think?
Mm, plural.
Plural nouns when the noun is countable, and singular nouns when the noun is uncountable.
Uncountable.
Okay?
Okay.
Can you give me an example using some?
For what?
No, using a, it could be countable or uncountable, but you must include some.
Mm, mm, I don't know.
Remember that sums we can only we can use also use when you don't want to express the right amount of something. For example, imagine that you are in a classroom and you want to
Mm-hmm.
say hay muchas sillas. Hay varias sillas en el salón. You don't want to mention the quantity. You can say there are some chairs in the
Yeah.
classroom, right?
Okay.
The plural is plural nouns because chairs,
It's some.
yeah, can be
Some.
counted.
Yeah.
Even I can say what happened is, let's analyze this. There is some water in the fridge. Do you think that's correct? There
No.
is some water in the fridge.
No.
Why not?
Because it's at the bottle. No. The water is uncountable.
It's countable,
It's uncountable.
uncountable. Yes,
Yeah.
but as I told you before at the beginning, when I introduced some, we can use some in singular,
Mm-hmm.
but when the noun is uncountable. So that's why that I told you
Mm,
there is some water in
okay.
the
Okay. Okay.
fridge.
Okay.
Water
I
is
understand.
uncountable. You can also use some. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see any. Any is used in negative statements and
Mm-hmm.
questions. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see a question. Let's see a question. Is there, no, let's see. Are there any fruits on your fridge?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Mm, mm, yes. Are
Yes, there are.
there? Yeah. Yes, there are. Not there are.
Okay. Yeah, yes, there are, or no, there aren't.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to build a negative statement, you can say, there aren't any fruit in my fridge. Okay.
Mhm.
Let's see much. Much is gonna use with plural nouns. Okay. A lot of, a lot of can be used with uncountable or plural nouns. Plural nouns means countable. Okay. A
Okay.
little must be in singular. Uncountable nouns, a few with plurals when has a positive meaning, and no with zero quantity. Okay. Let's see some containers that we have here. Can you read it,
Okay.
please?
What? Yeah, a lot.
Now this when I'm indicating
Ah,
to. Oh,
containers and then quantitative
yeah, containers and
is
quantities, right?
can, bag, box. I don't know what this pronounces
Jar,
here. Jar,
yeah,
jar. Okay. Carton. It's okay.
carton, okay,
Cup, slide, dozen, butch, butch,
bunch,
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 bunch, bottle, heat, heat, roll, tube,
yeah, two.
six pack, and bar.
Okay, good. Let's see. I'm gonna ask a questions. Or can you tell me a question using can?
Can,
Yeah,
what? What
yeah.
happened?
This container. You know that can
Yeah?
here can is not working as a modal. Okay, don't confuse.
No, no, I know.
So
What?
build a question using can.
Um, one moment.
Okay.
Ay, padre.
What?
Sorry. And I make the equation
Yeah,
using can.
yeah. Just build the question. Ask the question.
Around. Um, mm, mm, you have no.
No, a question. A question.
Yeah.
If you tell me
Um,
you have
are
means,
you? It's okay.
uh-huh.
Are
Are
you?
you? Are you what?
Are you have a garbage can?
Are are you sure? Are you have? That's makes sense. My goodness.
Pero si garbage can es como
Do
un
you listen,
recipiente.
listen, be careful. You cannot say are you have. That's so incredible from you. If you're gonna use the have, the verb have, it's more
Mhm.
recommendable to use do. Do you
Do you
have
have? Do you have? But the garbage can is correct, no?
which one?
Garbage can is the same, or
No, the guy. Listen,
¿cómo
yeah.
no? Porque usted me dijo can, no me dijo con qué. Yo le estoy preguntando si es.
Now listen. Can as, as you can appreciate on the picture means lata, something that
Ah,
you
pues,
can drink. When you say garbage can, it has
pues
another
que
meaning. It's something is
por eso,
tagged.
pero eso no me explicó. Porque,
But
o sea, yo no sabía que can era lata, pero solo
but
sabía que era así
you
como un
got listen,
recipiente.
you got on the picture.
Ay, no, pero de ahí yo que no.
Okay, now you know. Ask the question.
Ay, Dios. Do you have, mm, do you have, um, do you have a box? Mm, do you have a box for, no.
Or
I know.
do you have any cans of soda?
Uh-huh.
This is so easy.
Ay, Dios padre.
Now I have another question for you.
No.
How many boxes
Mhm.
from this the protein do you consume per week?
Zero.
Yeah, cereal. How many boxes do you consume?
In the week,
Yeah,
maybe two, two bucks
two
per
bucks or
week.
two boxes?
2 boxes per week.
Okay. And how many cup of tea do you drink a day?
Mm-hmm.
I'm asking a question.
Um,
How many cup of tea
I
or how many
I
cup of
drink
coffee?
I drink tea. No, yeah, I drink tea every morning.
Okay,
Yeah,
I drink
every
e-
I
even
drink
even in that answer you can use some because remember
some.
tea is uncountable. I drink some tea every morning,
Okay,
and that's
I
correct
drink
because tea.
some tea every morning and afternoon. I drink some cup coffee.
Okay, good.
Ya vio, mejor que usted me pregunte. Yo no puedo preguntar, pues me sale.
Okay. Do you like chocolate?
Yeah,
How many bars do you eat per month?
maybe it's 2 per month.
Two bars per month.
Yeah,
Okay,
no, a little bit.
yeah, that's good because too excessive,
Yeah,
too chocolate, that can be harmful for your health, right?
yeah, I know.
Now let's see. We're gonna use these. We're gonna start with this activity. Exercise A. What am I doing?
Eh, use or an or some and write C for countable or on for countable.
Okay, we're gonna start. What about water? Water, do you think is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Okay, I'm gonna write here. Water. Okay, what about bread?
Uh, uh, I don't know. You make the example. I I think it's uncountable.
Okay, I'm gonna write what you're telling me. Lemons.
Countable.
Okay. Chocolate.
Mm, uncountable.
Okay. Sugar.
Uncountable.
What about tea?
Uncountable. I
What
don't know.
about milk?
Uncountable.
What about oranges?
Countable. It depends.
Depends on what.
Mm, I don't know because you have a three maybe orange. You can account,
No,
but
you're telling the number, the quantity, 3 oranges. That can be counted
yeah.
because you have 1 orange, 2 oranges, and 3 oranges. Okay. What
Okay.
what about cheese?
Uncountable.
Okay.
Coffee
Coffee.
is uncountable. It is countable.
Okay, this is coffee and eggs is countable.
Countable.
Okay, good. Now let's see this.
Use an or some engraved C for uncountable or you or
Here
you for
is
uncountable.
a and some.
Is
A money, that's correct.
money money. Yeah.
No, is some money. And here it's C or
Uh,
U.
You.
You, that's right. Pants.
Some.
Huh?
No. I know. Some. I know. No sé.
Yeah, it's some because it's in plural.
Yeah. Some
This is you or C.
bombs. ¿Es pomada?
No,
No sé qué
son estanques.
Ah,
Estanques.
estanque.
Sí.
Estanque, como estancado. Sí, un
Yeah,
estanque.
so something that you need to save something.
Ah, pues. Pero no, porque sé.
It's countable.
Porque si es un
Remember that
estanque.
we have this.
Ah,
What about this?
mm,
Cup of tea.
bueno.
Is a an or some?
Eh, an. Ah,
An?
ah.
Ah, okay. And this
Cup
is
of
C
tea.
or U?
You. No,
Sure.
sí,
C.
because it's a cup.
Okay. Sugar?
Um, some.
Some. C or
Sugar.
U?
You.
U. That's good. Bar of
Some.
chocolate?
Some.
Some. Sure.
Mm,
Remember
no.
that we're telling barra, una.
Sí, it's a.
Ah, okay. A bar of chocolate. And this C or
Sí,
U?
sí.
C. Good. Here, ice
As.
cream.
mm, Some.
Are you sure?
Mm, no, it's an.
Why and?
I, an. A-N.
Yeah, but
No,
why? Why and?
because it's a one. It's ice cream. It's only
Ice
I don't.
has a vowel sound at the beginning.
Ah, screen. Y sí.
Okay, good. What about here? Rice.
A,
A
a
rice?
rice.
Un arroz?
Sí. No. Some.
So,
Some.
some. Good.
Some rice. Sí.
See?
Sí.
Or no?
No, sí, sí.
No, it's you.
Ay, sí, es you.
Remember, U is for uncountable.
Sí.
What about next? Glass of water.
Um, and no,
And,
ah,
okay, a glass of water.
sí.
See, very good. This one,
Coffee. Some
okay. Here,
you.
okay. Here,
Okay. Some K
sure.
is mm, I know. Sí.
See what?
Sí, sí, I sure some.
Are you sure that is some?
Ay, no sé.
Listen,
No,
cake. What's the meaning of cake?
but it's cake. It's cake. Cake. No, no, no say one case or bar case. No.
Let's see.
You
How many
understand?
cakes? How many cakes do you eat per year?
Maybe eight
A
cakes.
what?
Eight cakes.
A
Cakes.
cakes. And if
Yeah.
you notice there, if you see there, you're counting one cake, two cakes, three cakes, four
Ah,
cakes. You see?
Simon
So what we have at the beginning?
is ah
Okay, very good. And here,
sí.
okay, here,
Ah.
sure. Remember that this in plural, eggs.
And
Sure.
no. Mm,
A or an is just for singular.
If for
Some,
plural.
some is for plural. And
Some.
you're gonna use some in singular, but when the noun is uncountable.
Mm-hmm.
So here we have some at the end.
You. No. See.
Okay, see, orange. What about orange?
And
Okay, um,
see.
okay. Can you read this?
An orange.
Okay, that's pretty fine. An orange. Have you got some questions so far?
No.
No. Okay. Listen, I'm gonna explain you here something different. We have a lot of um, exercises here that you can
Mm-hmm.
complete. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
for practicing. Then you can make the homework. Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
What about this? Let us see. Ask questions using how much or how many. We have eggs. X is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. So we're gonna use how much or how many?
How many?
Okay. So the question would be, let's
How
see.
many
Uh-huh. How many eggs
eggs do
do
you
you
have
have for
for
breakfast?
breakfast?
Okay, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
How many eggs do you have for
The
breakfast? What about meat? Meat is singular or plural?
is singular.
Yeah,
Mm.
but is
Is
countable or
much.
uncountable?
It's uncountable.
Okay, so we can say how
How much
much meat
meat do
do you
you
have
have?
in your kitchen,
Right?
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the other exercises you can practice when you get time.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see these. The letter D says choose the correct
Choose
word. Read it, please.
choose the correct word, expression, and complete the sentence.
Okay. What are the expressions? What are the words that we're gonna use?
For sandwich,
Now we have some, how much, how many, y
uh,
any. Okay, the first one is a question. So which of
how,
those words we're gonna use?
and the first is how many sandwiches you have you got?
Okay. How many sandwiches have you got? Okay, good.
Mhm.
Now let's see the second one.
Is there some milk in the freezer? It's okay.
Some. That was the rule that I told you that we can use some in questions.
No, is how much?
No,
Ah,
I'm gonna
any,
come back. You see this? You see this?
any. Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
plural
here we
noun for
have
countable
in
for
questions.
question.
Okay.
Yeah,
So is there
any milk
in
in
the
the
fridge?
yeah.
Let's see the last one.